Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hey everyone, welcome back to our English practice podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben. Today we're going to help you prepare for the IELTS speaking test with one very common topic, hobbies.
That's right. Hobbies are easy to talk about, but many students just give short answers, like, I like music. That's not enough in IELTS. You need to explain more.
Yes, you should always give details, like why you like it, when you do it, and maybe a short story. That makes your answer interesting.
Exactly. Let's practice together. I'll ask the questions first, like an examiner, and Ben will answer. Then we'll switch. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I do. One of my main hobbies is reading mystery novels. I usually read in the evenings before I sleep because it helps me relax and forget about daily stress. I especially enjoy stories with unexpected endings. They make me think.
That's a very good answer. When she reads, in the evenings, why she reads, helps me relax, what type, mystery novels with unexpected endings. This is exactly what IELTS examiners like to hear.
Great tip. Next question. How often do you spend time on your hobby?
I try to read at least 30 minutes every day, but on weekends, I sometimes spend 2 or 3 hours with the book, especially if the story is very exciting.
See how she gave numbers and extra details? That makes your answer strong.
Okay, your turn to ask me.
What do you like to do in your free time?
Well, I really like cooking. I started this hobby during the pandemic because restaurants were closed, so I had to cook at home. At first, I was terrible, but now I can make some good pasta and homemade bread. Cooking makes me feel creative, and sometimes I try new recipes from the internet.
That's perfect IELTS speaking. You explained what your hobby is, why you started it, and a story about learning.
Listeners, here's a small vocabulary tip. Hobby means an activity you enjoy doing in your free time. Relax means to feel calm and not stressed. Creative means using your imagination to make something new.
Yes, you can try using these words in your answers. For example, I enjoy painting because it is relaxing and makes me feel creative.
Let's try a longer question. Imagine the examiner asks, describe a hobby you enjoy. You should say what it is, how often you do it, and why you enjoy it.
Okay, here's my answer. One hobby I really enjoy is playing football. I usually play 2 times a week with my friends at a local park. Football is not only fun, but it also keeps me healthy and strong. I remember one weekend we had a small match and I scored a goal for the first time. I felt so happy and proud. Playing football also helps me make friends because we all work as a team.
Wow, that's a great answer. Notice how he added frequency, 2 times a week, feelings, happy and proud.
Yes, in IELTS, small stories like this make your answer stronger.
Okay, your turn. A fun question. Did you have any hobbies when you were a child?
Yes, when I was a child, I loved collecting stickers. I had a small album full of colorful stickers from cartoons and snacks. I didn't have much money, so I traded stickers with my friends at school. It was very exciting.
That's a nice past tense answer. Remember, listeners, in IELTS, you might have questions about now and the past.
Good point. You should practice using both. I enjoy, present, and I loved, past.
Small talk example, more conversation. Then, do you have any unusual hobbies?
I enjoy photography. I like taking pictures of nature, like trees, flowers, and sunsets. It's peaceful, and I feel like I can see the world in a new way.
That sounds amazing. Do you share your photos online?
Sometimes. Yes, I post a few on Instagram. It's fun to see other people's reactions.
Listeners, notice how he used words like peaceful and share. Using interesting words makes your answer more natural. Let's do some opinion questions. First, why do people need hobbies?
I think hobbies are important because they reduce stress and make life more enjoyable.
Hobbies also help people learn new skills and meet friends with similar interests.
Yes, hobbies are not just fun. They can improve your mental and social life.
Then another question. Do you think hobbies are different for young people and older people?
I think so. I think young people often like active hobbies like sports or video games, while older people may prefer quiet hobbies like gardening, reading, or cooking. But everyone can enjoy any hobby they like. Listeners, a few tips to improve your hobby answers. Use examples. Don't just say, I like music. Say, I like listening to music, especially jazz. It helps me relax after work. Add reasons. Always explain why you like it. Use past and present. Talk about hobbies now and hobbies in the past. Use feelings and stories. Small stories make answers more interesting.
Yes, and practice speaking out loud, not just in your head. Recording yourself is very helpful.
Here's one more complete answer you can use. In my free time, I enjoy jogging in the park. I usually go early in the morning because the air is fresh and there are fewer people. Jogging helps me stay healthy and clear my mind. Sometimes I listen to music while running, which makes it more enjoyable. I started jogging 2 years ago, and now it is an important part of my daily routine.
Beautiful. You can adapt this for any hobby.
And that's it for today, everyone. Now it's your turn. Think about your hobby and answer all the questions we practiced.
Try recording yourself or practicing in front of a mirror. The more you practice, the more natural your speaking will sound.
If you like this episode, follow and share it with your friends.
And tell us in the comments, what topic should we cover next? Sports? Food? Travel?
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.